while Johnny's painting. I'll take a little walk. I have to pinch myself sometimes and remember where I am. Out here, this gorgeousness. Panicale's way over there, at the very base. You can kind of see it right there on the hillside. Yeah, right there. We're out down the road, not far from Panicale at all. We don't go very far, really. Johnny's there painting. And again, I have to pinch myself. I'm in the middle of Italy, strolling down a dirt road. The sun's out, and it's gorgeous. Thank you.